Hello everyone, welcome to the series of understanding economics concepts in just 1 minute. This is Dr. Atman Shah. Let's understand the idea of direct tax. Direct tax is imposed by the government on individuals and organizations. So, a direct tax is a tax that a person or organization directly pays to the government. And these are largely taxes on income and wealth of the individuals and organizations. Income tax, property tax, corporate tax, capital gain tax are some of the examples of direct taxes. Now, in the case of direct tax, tax burden cannot be shifted to someone else. So, if income tax is levied on individual A, then individual A cannot shift the burden of income tax to someone else. That means direct taxes can't be passed on to a different person. So that's the idea of direct tax. If you like it, share it.